All the power you need to mix, puree, debase, crush ice and more. With only 4 simple buttons, 700 watt of peak blending power. Do not fill blender jar beyond the 3 cup level. Tips and care for the best performance. The minimum amount of liquid needed per recipe is 1 cup. Add more liquid if your mixture is not blending properly. To add food or liquid to when blender is operating, open the hinged pouring cap and add ingredients through the opening. If blending action stops during blending or ingredients stick to sides of jar, there may not be enough liquid in the jar to blend efficiently. Peak blending power for powerful ice crushing. 700 watt power blender continuously pulls mixture down into the brace for consistently smooth results. Multifunction blender with only 5 simple buttons on the easy to read control panel. Power blender creates smoothies, icy drinks, shakes and more. Blades removed for easy cleaning. Jar blades and lid are dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Multifunction blender with unique no mess pouring spout.